Okay, let's dive into Arizona real estate. We're breaking down the essential duties for every single agent.
Oof, now that's a tough spot, right? The answer lies in the two hats you have to wear. It all comes down to this. You have two jobs: loyalty to your client and fairness to everybody else.
So for your client, you have what's called fiduciary duties. But for everyone else, you owe them fairness. And dealing fairly isn't just a nice idea, it's the law, written right into the Arizona Administrative Code. Let's look at a huge court case, Lombardo v. Albu, that really shows this duty in action.
The agent basically said, "Not my client, not my problem." The state's highest court? Yeah, they disagreed, big time. And here's the court's main point. Your confidentiality duty doesn't mean you can hide crucial facts. So, that buyer who lost his job, you have to disclose it. It's critical to their ability to perform. Okay, but what if your own interests get mixed in? Now we're talking conflicts of interest. The rule is simple. Disclose any personal stake in writing, and do it before anyone signs a contract. And this applies across the board, whether it's you, your family, or your broker. You have to disclose. All right, next up is the duty of reasonable skill and care. It means being competent, but also knowing your limits. Look, you're an agent. You're not a home inspector or a lawyer, so don't try to be one.
So how do you protect yourself and your client? Easy. The ADRE Buyer Advisory is your best friend.
This thing basically tells the buyer, hey, you need to check this stuff out. It puts the ball in their court.
Okay, enough theory. Let's see how these rules actually play out in a couple more real-world situations.
So the seller says a leak was minor, but you see a fresh water stain. What's your move?
You have to disclose it. Your client might say nothing, but you saw it, so you have to report it. Okay, next up, you find a killer property and want to buy it yourself with cash. Now what? Simple. You're the principal here, so you have to put right in the offer that you're a licensed agent. The bottom line is, these duties aren't just red tape. They protect your client, the public, and you. So ask yourself this: what makes a true professional? The deals you close or the problems you prevent?